Hello everybody, my name is Dimitri with Serg Supply and I'm very proud to talk to you guys about the foundation kit. Let's dig right in. Whether you're someone who's new to the van conversion space and maybe building out your own van, or you've been here for a while, I think we can all agree on one common truth, and that is that building out a van is an extremely complicated process, and there is a very large learning curve in the beginning to know how to bridge the gap between what you think you need in your van versus what you really need in your van. The ultimate goal here is to avoid the regret of doing things the wrong way, maybe forgetting something or just simply placing something in your vehicle that you paid good money for that you don't end up using at the end. Well, Serg Supply is here to provide a solution for that. Just like any other great thing that is built, all great things are built on a great foundation, and today we're excited and proud to announce the new foundation kit. Just like with any of our Serg Supply builds, the foundation kit is created with three common principles in mind. Number one, safety. Number two, modularity. And number three, the same high quality standard that you would expect from any of our products. These are things that you should not negotiate on when planning your van build, and these are things you can rely on when choosing a Serg Supply foundation kit. Let's talk a little bit about what's included in this kit and what comes in your van. First and foremost, you get insulation and sound deadening. This is kill mat with pre-cut thin slit that is going to fill up every pocket of your van, give you a nice thermal barrier between you and the wild. And then the next part is actually the floor. We give you guys the fully insulated Serg Supply floor. This is load-bearing birch, and it comes with the stow step from Rigwell, so you have a step extension into your entryway right out the gate. And you get to choose your choice of any Lawn Coiner Lawn Ridge product with the option to upgrade to 2Tech 2 if you would like to. This kit also comes with walls pre-installed. Now we have many different options for wall colors, wall materials. This can include any of our pre-finished maple, pre-finished bamboo, or color options, and you can also upgrade to upholstery if you would like to. And amongst those two options, especially for sprinters, you have two different types of wall panel kits. We have our standard traditional wall panel kit, and we have our L-Track wall panel kit. For transit owners out there, it's just the standard, traditional wall panel kit, but you still get all of those same great options. Your walls will be pre-cut for any windows or capsules, and those are also things you can add to your foundation kit if you don't want to install your windows or capsules yourself. Your ceiling kit is the next part that is a standard part of this kit. We have a few good options here as well. There's the standard pre-finished maple, pre-finished bamboo, or if you're feeling like upholstery, we have a solid ceiling panel kit that is upholstered in any of the Marathon tweed options. Each of these ceiling kits come with a max air fan pre-installed in the front with the shroud attached, and it also comes with 12-volt LED puck lights that are pre-wired to a dimmer and ready to use. The last piece of the interior before we get into electrical is the Go Code threshold trim. We have decided to fully trim out all visible metal in your Sprinter and Transit using the Go Code kits in the front and the back. This comes in a nice black ABS factory finish, and it gives a nice polished look to the interior of your build, regardless of which color materials you end up choosing. Now, this next part that's included in your kit is the part that I am personally most excited about, and that is going to be your wiring. If you followed us to any extent on YouTube or our shorts in the past, you know that I'm very anal about wiring safety, and I'm proud to announce that we are rolling out this new system, what we like to call future-proofed wiring. What does that mean exactly? It means that every single wire that's added to your build, first and foremost, is the safest. We use only the highest grade tinned copper wiring that is also rated to ABYC standards, and to take it one step further, every single cable that runs through your van is triple protected with wire loom as the last line of defense, so that there's no possibilities for fire or electrical hazards in the future. What does future-proofing your wiring actually mean practically? Well, our philosophy is that if you think you're going to add it later, we should run the wire for it right out the gate. So even though our kit does not come with an air conditioning kit pre-installed, we will ask you what type of AC you might want to run, and we're going to run the proper wiring for it ahead of time. This also comes with all the wiring you would ever need for DC-DC charging, solar and shore power, whether it be 15 or 30 amps. The best part of all of this is all of the wiring coming into the power or out of the power is going to be compatible with any power system on the market. This means it'll work for your portable power systems and your full-blown Victron custom power systems. It's ready to take on anything and ready to handle the job at hand. Now, aside from the exterior charging sources, you do have 12 volt and 120 volt drops that, as I had mentioned previously, and these drops are going to go to all the most common places. So there's not going to be a spot in your van where you might add reading lights or a cabinet later that you're not going to have power wrapped up and ready to use, all properly rated according to ABYC standards, so you don't have to worry about hazards down the road. This also includes wiring for the most commonly known things like your gas heater, whether it be an S-Bar, Webasto, or Velit, diesel. It's all run for that. It also includes a dimmer, a 2-button dimmer switch that is ready to rock. And you'll have an option between having the ceiling kit all controlled on one button and wiring the second button for potential future upper cabinets, or just having this thing zoned out. That's all included. And to top things off, we have 3 120-volt outlets that are placed throughout your vehicle. These are all GFCI protected, so regardless of which power system you go with, you know your outlets are going to be safe to use. Choosing every detail of your build, from plumbing to electrical, cabinetry, layout, that can be overwhelming. And oftentimes people get stuck trying to decide all of that from the beginning. My advice to you is start with the foundation. Start with the things you know you're going to need, and our team is here and ready to assist you on helping figure out the rest of the stuff later. If you have any specific questions about what's included in this kit, or maybe some questions on things you might want to add to this kit, please reach out to us. Our team is ready to help support you and ready to book your foundation kit install today. Thanks again, and happy building.